Summer is in full swing, and that means all you auto techs are patching up and recharging everyone's AC systems. This week's feature product is a must-have to ensure you can get the job done the first time without any guesswork. Introducing the Nitrogen Pressure Leak Check Kit from CPS. This nitrogen test kit lets you quickly find if there are any loose connections and leaks in a vehicle's AC system before charging, so you don't end up wasting a can of refrigerant only to find the AC lines empty after the job is complete. Setting up this portable kit is fairly straightforward. Start by connecting the regulator to your tank of nitrogen. Then connect the ball valve side of the yellow hose to the regulator. Next, screw the other end of the yellow hose to the horizontal connection on the pressure manifold, which has a handy hook built into it so you can hang it from the open hood of the vehicle you're working on. Then take the straight end of the red hose and thread it onto the manifold's vertical port. And connect one of the two included quick connect couplers to the other side of the red hose. There is one coupler for R134A refrigerant and another one for the systems that use R1234YF. Finally, plug the quick connect coupler onto the high side of the AC system and slowly start to open each valve, starting at the nitrogen tank. This is a closed loop that will pressurize the system with nitrogen, with the manifold holding around 150 psi. Once it hits that mark, turn the red dial to match the black marker. Close the valve on the manifold and wait for 10 minutes. If the red and black dials still match, the pressure is stable. You're all set to recharge the system. However, if the dials are out of sync, that indicates the pressure has dropped, meaning there's either a loose connection or a leak in the air conditioning. Here's a quick tip. If you grab CPS's electronic leak detector, which of course we carry here at Gregg's, you can use it to find exactly where the leak is coming from, making repairs even faster. And you bet we have lots of products to help you get the entire job done, such as cans and tanks of refrigerant, leak repair kits, and our hose shop can even whip up a replacement AC line for you if it's damaged beyond repair. So save yourself time and stop wasting supplies with this week's feature product, the Nitrogen Pressure Leak Check Kit from CPS. Ever had to repair your own AC line? Tell us the story in the comments below, and make sure to follow so you can keep up with our 100% Canadian content. See you next time.